Introduction. Vishesh is watching his father going through a map. The map contains a number of symbols and signs. It also has black and blue dotted lines, some green patches, and some dots. He wonders what the signs and symbols on the map represent. In this lesson, you will learn about directions and maps. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify geographical directions, explain the use of a compass, identify signs and symbols used in a map. Geographical directions. People live at different places in India. Some places are in the north, while some others are in the south. Some places are located on the east, and some others are on the west. Kashmir, the paradise of earth, is located in the north. Rajasthan, the land of desert, is located in the west. Assam, known for its tea and wildlife, is located in the east. Kerala, famous for its spices and backwaters, is in the south. The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Locating directions. Compass is a device that we use to find directions. A compass has a needle that rotates to indicate direction. The head of needle always points towards north and the tail towards south. Sailors and pilots use a compass to know the directions in which they are moving. Left and right directions. In addition to north, south, west and east, we also use left and right directions to locate a place. We use our hands to indicate the left and right directions. The hand that makes the letter L when the index finger and thumb are stretched out is our left hand, and the other one is our right hand. The places towards our right hand are said to be on the right, and those towards our left hand are said to be on the left. Maps. We often face problems locating a new place. Maps are used to solve such problems. A map shows the countries of the world, their capitals, cities and towns. It also shows different landforms and water bodies present on the earth. A map uses signs and symbols to indicate a place. Signs and symbols. Signs and symbols are pictures that are used in a map to represent places. Some common signs and symbols used in maps are black lines to represent roads, blue lines to represent rivers, green color to represent parks, dots to represent houses, and a fireman's hat to represent fire stations. Signs and symbols help in finding a place quickly and also save space on paper. Let us look what you have learned. Drag and drop the labels on the correct symbols. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. North, south, east and west are the four main geographical directions. Compass is a device that is used to find directions. Maps use signs and symbols to indicate places.